Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how do I delete a key fob from my 2 gig edge panel. So the process to delete it is fairly simple. We're just going to go through a couple menus in programming, reset the fob, which is essentially going to delete it. And the reasons that we would delete a key fob, main one is if someone loses the key fob. So since it usually is a portable device, people usually put it on keychains, there is a risk of losing it. And if we lose it, obviously we don't want it to still be programmed to the system in case anyone finds it. And we just don't want something that's programmed to the system that's not there in general. So we'll delete it from the panel. We'll test the fob afterwards to make sure it's no longer communicating, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here is the 2 gig edge panel. We currently have the key fob programmed, so I'm going to arm with the key fob real quick just to make sure it's working. Okay, and I'm going to disarm.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
Okay, so now say that we lose the key fob. We obviously do not want it to be programmed to the system still. So if you do lose your key fob, or if you just want to delete it in general, you'll go into the gear icon on the bottom right hand corner. We're going to enter our installer code. Ours is still the default 1561. We're going to scroll down to installer toolbox. Panel programming, go to key fobs, and key fob 1 is the one that I just armed the system with, but I did lose it. So to delete this, it's fairly simple. We're just going to press the reset fob. It's going to ask if we're sure. And then as you see, it's going to set the fob to disabled, and it's deleted all the information from the fob itself. So it's no longer programmed. And just to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and test it by using the fob itself. Okay, nothing's happening. Just one more time. And nothing's happening. So if we lose this fob and someone finds it, they're not going to be able to use it on the system because it's no longer communicating with the system itself. All right, so that's how you delete a key fob from the 2 gig edge panel. So once it's deleted, it's no longer going to be functional. If you did like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 888-818-7728. You can email us at support@alarmgrid.com, or if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a chat feature on there as well, so feel free to reach out. My name is Dylan, and thank you for watching.